Hello and welcome to Aztec TV. In this little how-to video, we are going to show you how to lubricate your Ultion cylinder. You're not going to need any tools, but you will need some graphite lubricant and the key to the door. Both ourselves and Brisant Secure recommend Ultion XM lubricant, which is available to purchase from us or direct from the Ultion website, ultion-lock.co.uk. Please do not use silicone or oil-based lubricants, as this will invalidate your guarantee. The application of the lubricant is quite simple. Simply apply some of the lubricant to the key, then insert the key into the keyway and rotate the key to either lock or unlock the door. Remove the key and turn it upside down, then repeat the locking or unlocking of your door, adding a little more lubricant if you wish. That's it, you're all done. It is advised that this is done every 6 months to help keep your cylinder working perfectly. Thanks for watching. For more instructional videos in this series, please visit our website, aztec-windows.com.